Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again on the Forex market. And you can see that performance on the euro currency finally has shown some signs of weakness, and actually in a light of the bread and butter sell that we are considering on the weekly chart, it might be important. At least now we are creating the trading plan for the beginning of the next week. So take a look at it. So guys, before we will proceed with this technical analysis, I would like to make some statement. First of all, that currently we have some technical issues on the website, and I can't just post the report in a whole, and I can't post the technical analysis. So something wrong with the uploading of the charts and make the replies on forum. So I was able to post just a big part of the fundamental report, but not total. So I will make it available. Speaking about technical side, so if you are watching this video, then probably you could just watch the video. If you would prefer to read, probably we will resolve this issue, I hope today, tomorrow. So it will appear just a bit later, I suppose. So in general, in today fundamental report, we have considered few inconsistencies that we see currently in statistics report that come from the authorities in the United States, and there are some really common sense questions appear. If the continuous climbs are rising, if the average working hours decreasing, and if the tax gathering is also dropping, how United States economy could show the 5% growth pace. This is the major concern that I have, and it seems that I really have some doubts and suspicions that probably it is not occasional, and somebody intentionally hide the truth or just disguise it for some reasons. And statistics from the United States more and more remind me the quality of the statistics that we get from China. That's really difficult to operate and to trust, and this is really might be the concern. I don't understand why the other investors just do not arguing these questions, so asking these questions, and just blindly believe the numbers that have been shown by the Bureau of the Statistics. We have shown just on real examples why this is really a big problem currently, and also have taken a look at some other issues. So speaking about technical side, as I said, we've got at least the first moment that we would like to get, just to confirm that probably that might be the starting point of the deeper retracement, which is actually bearish reversal swing. Indeed, market on Friday has created the new lows, and that makes something really important to us, is because on the daily chart finally we've got two bearish signs. First of all, is a bearish reversal swing, as I said. Second, daily trend has turned bearish. So with this combination, and keeping in mind that we have the bread and butter sell on the weekly, we could start acting on the euro currency on the bearish side. So on the lower time frame, now the questions about what pattern will be formed are off of the table. So if you remember, on Friday we still were keeping this possible free drive, because free drive potentially also was the bearish reversal pattern, but with this recent collapse and drop below the recent lows, divergence, by the way, has worked nice. We have actually no questions, and the only pattern that we could consider is a hand and shoulders, and this is 127 hand and shoulders, not the 1618. Speaking about the shape of the pattern, everything looks good. Here we have a kind of the butterfly that we discussed previously. Downside acceleration here looks nice, which is really positive sign for the bearish reversal pattern. Market right now hits some support area, and actually our task stands relatively simple. We need to keep an eye on the possible bounce in the beginning of the next week and consider an area around 109.45, 109.50, where this will be suitable for possibly taking the short position. If you already have taken short position right in the XOP on this consolidation last week that we have discussed, that's great. You just need to do nothing. Think about your position, protecting it with a break-even stop, maybe making some other steps, measures depending on your time frame that you are trading on. So, but for the others who intend to take the short position, that will be the primary area that we intend to keep an eye on and see what will happen. The one thing that we do not want to see here is this type of action. So this explosive rally, of course, not in our favor. We need to see gradual, slow upward action, something of this kind. If it will happen, let's consider this level for potential taking the short position, because this head and shoulders on the follow time frame chart might become the one that will trigger the bread by the sell trade on a weekly chart, and also will be the same pattern but in opposite direction on the dollar index. On the hourly chart, I do not see something yet, something really important right now. Market just has completed another local downside target. So initially we were considering, if you remember, this A, B, C top XOP that we're standing right there. But now as market already overcome this target, we're taking another one, which is this ABCD. It also has been completed. Here, guys, I plot the most important confluence. So I will show you. This is, you can see, confluence from the major reaction points. But if you will choose another one, you probably would get confluence with a 30% level that stands closer to this level. Besides, if you take this reaction point, not from these lows, but from the thrusting type of action, you easily could get another confluence right at D point. So, because we have here lots of reaction points, lots of lows, where you could use for building the fib levels, we could say definitely that currently euro currency stands at the support area, in the confluence support, and that is good background for a possible bounce that we would like to get. If you're a scalp trader and trade on hourly and lower time frames, take a look. Here might be some kind of the minor hand and shoulders with this ABCD. We hopefully should lead market somewhere to the 109.50 level that we will consider next week for possible taking the short position. For scalp traders, also might be considered some scalp long position on very short time frames. That in general, few things that we have on the euro currency, and particularly that we intend to keep an eye on next week.